What if I told you the 2026 Range Rover isn't just a luxury SUV? It's basically a 5-star hotel on wheels that can climb a mountain in a tuxedo. Yeah, it's that kind of wild. The kind of machine that makes you wonder, is this even a car anymore? Or a teleportation device disguised as British elegance? Let's dive into the new Range Rover, the 2026 version, and trust me, this one's got stories to tell. So, first impressions? It still looks like a Range Rover, but a cleaner, more sculpted, more confident version of itself, like it just walked off the runway in Milan. The silhouette? Iconic. That floating roof, the flush door handles, those impossibly clean lines, it doesn't scream for attention. It whispers power. And if you look close enough, the new grille design and sharper LED lighting give it this futuristic, almost spacecraft-like vibe. It's familiar, but fresh, like meeting an old friend who just came back from a luxury wellness retreat. And the interior? Oh boy, stepping inside is like entering the VIP lounge at Heathrow. If that lounge had massage seats, a 35-speaker Meridian sound system, and sustainable leather so soft it feels like a cloud in a tux. Ambient lighting, customizable. Noise. Levels. Whisper quiet thanks to active noise cancellation embedded right into the headrests. Yes, headrests. Now, let's talk power, because this isn't just a pretty face. The 2026 Range Rover offers a hybrid inline-6, a monstrous V8, and, for the first time ever, a fully electric variant. That means you can go from 0 to 60 faster than a sports sedan, in something that weighs as much as a baby elephant. And here's the kicker. It'll do that while sipping fuel, crawling over rocks, or gliding silently through city streets. Ever driven through a flooded road or a snowy mountain trail? This thing has a weighting depth of nearly 3 feet. That's more than most sports cars have ground clearance. It's like driving a luxury yacht with off-road tires. And thanks to Land Rover's Advanced Terrain Response 3, it adapts in real time. Like, it's reading the road's mind. Mud, sand, snow, even rock crawling. It's got a mode for that. Here's something that might surprise you. The tech in the new Range Rover doesn't shout at you. It's elegant, seamless, invisible almost. There's a massive 13.1-inch curved touchscreen floating like a piece of modern art. And it's running the latest Pivi Pro system, faster, smoother, and smarter than ever. Need to open the tailgate hands-free? Wave your foot. Want to pre-cool the cabin from your phone? Easy. How about watching Netflix in the back seat while getting a hot stone massage? That too. The voice assistant? It actually understands you now. Say, I'm cold, and it adjusts the temperature. Say, I want to relax, and it dims the lights, plays soothing music, and reclines your seat. At this point, it's less of a car and more of a personal butler. Now here's where Range Rover flexes the little things. Rear passengers, they're treated like royalty. Executive rear seats with reclining leg rests, built-in screens, and tray tables that slide out like in first class. And there's even a fridge back there, because why not? You can spec this beast with everything, from ceramic interior controls to air purification systems that filter out bacteria, allergens, and even city pollution. It's not just luxury, it's wellness on wheels. And if you're into silence, get this. The electric version is so quiet, Range Rover had to engineer curated cabin sounds to make it feel more natural. You can choose from calming forest ambiances or even subtle engine purrs. Talk about attention to detail. So, what is the 2026 Range Rover really? It's a paradox. It's a beast in designer clothing. It's a wilderness warrior with the manners of a 5-star concierge. It's the kind of SUV that makes you rethink what a car should be. And here's the truth. Once you step inside this thing, everything else just feels ordinary. But hey, what do you think? Is this the ultimate luxury off-roader, or is it just over-the-top opulence? Drop your thoughts in the comments. I'm super curious to hear what you choose, V8, hybrid, or electric. And if you enjoyed this ride, make sure to hit that like button. Subscribe for more car deep dives, and turn on the bell so you never miss a moment behind the wheel. Until next time, stay curious, drive bold,